Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about the latest developments in diabetes research and treatment. Whether you're living with diabetes or just interested in health, this video is for you. Keep watching to find out what's new and exciting in the field of diabetes. First, let's take a look at some statistics. Diabetes affects over 400 million people worldwide, and that number is expected to increase to over 600 million by 2030. It's a serious disease that can lead to complications like heart disease, kidney failure, and blindness. But there's hope. Researchers are working hard to find new treatments and therapies to help manage diabetes and potentially even cure it. So, what are some of the latest developments in diabetes research and treatment? Let's take a look. New medications and treatments are being developed all the time. For example, injection drugs like liraglutide and semaglutide have been shown to help reduce blood sugar levels and weight. Pill drugs like empagliflozin and canagliflozin help the kidneys remove excess sugar from the bloodstream, and implantable devices like insulin pumps and continuous glucose monitors are becoming more advanced, allowing people with diabetes to better manage their blood sugar levels. But that's not all. Researchers are working on even more exciting projects. The bionic pancreas, for example, is a device that uses a continuous glucose monitor and an insulin pump to automatically regulate blood sugar levels. And stem cell therapies are being explored as a way to regenerate insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas, which could potentially cure type 1 diabetes. Gene therapies are also being developed to prevent or reverse the genetic causes of diabetes. And artificial intelligence is being used to develop personalized treatment plans for people with diabetes based on their individual characteristics, lifestyle, and medical history. AI can also help predict blood sugar levels and alert patients and healthcare providers to potential complications. Telemedicine is becoming increasingly popular in diabetes care, allowing patients to consult with healthcare providers remotely and receive ongoing care and support without the need for in-person visits. And research is ongoing into the role of nutrition in diabetes prevention and treatment. Some studies suggest that certain diets, such as a plant-based diet or a low-fat, low-carb diet, may help improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of complications. Immunotherapy, which uses the body's immune system to fight disease, is being explored as a potential treatment for type 1 diabetes. And pancreatic islet transplantation, which involves transplanting healthy islets from a donor pancreas into a person with type 1 diabetes, is showing promise in clinical trials. But diabetes research and treatment isn't just about the science, it's also about the people living with diabetes. Diabetes advocates and the diabetes community are working hard to raise awareness and support for diabetes research and treatment. They're sharing their stories, advocating for change, and helping to fund research. So, what's on the horizon for diabetes, research and treatment? Here are some of the exciting developments that are in the pipeline. Gene editing technologies like CRISPR are being explored as a way to permanently cure genetic forms of diabetes. Personalized medicine is also becoming more prevalent, with researchers working to develop treatment plans tailored to each individual's unique genetic profile. Smart insulin pens and artificial pancreas systems are being developed to make insulin delivery easier and more precise. These devices use advanced algorithms and real-time data to automatically adjust insulin doses based on a person's activity, food intake, and other factors. 3D printing and bioprinting are being used to create customized prosthetics, implants, and even organs. In the future, we may see the development of 3D printed pancreases and other organs that can be used for transplantation. Virtual reality is being used to help people with diabetes manage stress and mental health. Studies have shown that VR can help reduce stress and anxiety, which are common complications of diabetes. The diabetes community is a vital part of diabetes research and treatment. Advocates are working to raise awareness, promote education, and support those living with diabetes. By sharing their experiences and stories, they're helping to create a world where diabetes is better understood and more manageable. Diabetes research and treatment is an exciting and rapidly evolving field, and we're honored to be a part of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthcare-related content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.